Hi kids! So today we're going to learn about Module 5, Eating Right on how much and how many. So if you are new here, let me introduce myself. My name is Nisa and you can call me Teacher Nisa, okay? When you look at the picture, will you use how much or will you use how many for the water? No worries kids, we will learn this together, okay? Next is when to use it, bila nak guna. So we use it when we want to know the quantity or amount of something. Therefore, we ask questions starting with how much or how many. Berapa banyak? Shh. Before that, let's learn about countable noun and uncountable noun. Well, let's take a look at the countable noun first. Countable noun can be counted, boleh dikira, while uncountable noun cannot be counted, tak boleh kira. For example, can you count how many strings of noodles in the bowl? No, right? So that is why it is uncountable noun. Senang cerita, countable noun benda boleh kira, uncountable noun benda tak boleh kira. Okay, next, countable noun can take singular or plural verbs. Well, it depends on the noun itself. For example, there is a book on the table. There are 3 books on the table. Depends on noun dia berapa banyak. Okay, next is uncountable noun. Always take singular verb. For example, there is some water in the jug and sugar is sweet. Next, let's count together. For the countable noun, we can see there are 2 pineapples, 1 and 2. And for the uncountable noun, we can see there are lots of noodles which cannot be counted. And here is the tricky part. You need to remember, countable noun we use how many, while uncountable noun we use how much. Okay? Now let's move on to how many. How many means I want to know the quantity or amount. For example, how many apples did you buy? Awak telah beli apple berapa banyak? Other example would be how many bars of chocolate do you eat every day? Berapa banyak bar coklat yang awak makan hari-hari? So next would be how much. How much and how many is just the same. The meaning is I want to know the quantity or amount. For example, how much sugar would you like? Here we use how much because of the noun sugar. Sugar cannot be counted, so that is why we use how much. Okay? So other example would be how much milk is in the fridge. We cannot count milk, right? So that is why we use how much. Okay? Moving on to the first quiz. I wish you all the best. I'm sure you are familiar with this question. So, do you use how much or how many for water? Excellent. We use how much because water is uncountable noun. Next, how much or how many for salt? Brilliant. Salt, we use how much. Next, how much or how many for 3 orange slices? Excellent. We use how many. Next, we use how much or how many for bars of chocolate? Very good. We use how many. So moving on to the second quiz. So I wish you all the best kids. Please answer it honestly, okay? So here are the questions that you can find in your textbook on page 52. So please answer it by yourselves. So we have come to the end of our lesson today. Thank you so much for watching. I wish you all the best in your studies. If you have some free time, you can like, you can subscribe or give some comments for some improvements. Thank you everybody. See you later inshallah. Goodbye.